Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out our next videos. So today we are going to continue where we left off, which is the bull market support band. And today we want to understand where is Bitcoin heading right now. And especially, just to give you an update din sa mga previous na videos natin, ano na ba yung nangyayari sa mga previous analysis natin. So, yeah, let's now dive into that analysis. So, di ba, sa mga recent videos natin, we have been discussing that Bitcoin is hinting a potential long-term bull market. And in fact, we have been creating a lot of videos indicating na, yun nga, meron tayong nakita na MACD cross sa ating monthly time frame, sa ating bigger time frame. Nakakita din tayo ng bullish movement sa ating traditional market, which is yung global market, S&P 500. And from that time, di ba, we hinted na potentially aakit si Bitcoin from 18K, akit siya around siguro the 20,000 levels above that area. And there we have also plotted a lot of analysis indicating na we are going to break certain resistance such as yung ating bull market support band, and we have been hinting na we have to watch out the bull market support band kasi dun tayo potentially makita ng bounce. And let's now dive into our current analysis. And as you can see guys, ating current analysis, from 18K, Bitcoin actually went beyond 20K, and we have been actually just playing around the 20K up until the 25,000 US dollars. We have also seen a massive bounce sa ating Bitcoin bull market support band. As you can see, we saw a very strong bounce dito sa ating bull market support band. And the bull market support band is the 20-week moving average. And as you can see, we are seeing that very good bounce right now with the Bitcoin price action. And di ba sabi din natin, the next key area na what we have to watch out is the 28,000 US dollars. Kasi if you're going to watch this, if you're going to take a look at this, 28K is actually a Fibonacci retracement resistance. So if you're going to plot a Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the current low, you would actually notice na 28K is a resistance now we have to target and with what we have to watch out for. Now, ano ba yung next thing na kailangan natin i-watch out for the next few weeks? So, diving into this current chart na meron tayo, if you're going to plot this support and resistance line, may certain resistance tayo forming around the 25,000 US dollars. And right now, 25,000 US dollars in the weekly time frame is acting as a very strong resistance. So, right now, in order for us to continue to the 28,000, we still have to break the 28K. We have to break the 25K rather. And in order for us to confirm a breakout, what we must have is a candle close with volume. So hanggat wala tayong candle close, that is not yet a confirmed breakout. And looking at this in the weekly time frame, even though na we went to the 26,000 US dollar area, we did not break it with a candle close. So as you can see, we are still playing below this area. So when can we confirm a breakout dito? We can only confirm this if we are going to get a weekly candle close next Monday at 8 a.m. kasi yun yung usual candle close dito sa ating weekly time frame. So if you want to watch out for the next weekly candle close, I suggest na yun nga, wait out for that next Monday, and yun nga, patience talaga is a virtue dito sa crypto market and you have to watch out for that. So ano pa ba yung next thing na pwede natin infer? You can actually see na we have been seeing a lot of bounces sa ating bull market support band and the resistance. So we might potentially just consolidate dito within the next few weeks dito within the bull market support band and 25K. But if let's say this gets pretty tight and we were able to form an ascending triangle, then we might see this to go to the 28K level, which is the resistance na sinasabi natin sa ating logarithmic, or not logarithmic but the Fibonacci retracement area. So right now, we are seeing a lot of good signs right now with the Bitcoin price. It's just that it's taking some time lang talaga for this to break out. And yun nga, yun yung magandang thing about this data na meron tayo. Di ba palagi ko sa inyo sinasabi na when in doubt, always zoom out. And yun yung pinakita natin sa ating previous video. Sa previous video, sabi ko, when in doubt, monitor this chart, which is yung pinapakita ko ngayon. Sinabi ko din sa inyo bull market support band, the logarithmic growth curve. It's another indicator, but yeah, we have been showing you a lot of data na you can follow para alam mo kung saan tayo papunta ngayon. And it's not speculation lang. It's actually data analysis. So, right now, what we are doing is just we are looking at different trends right now, and we are basing these trends in determining kung saan ba tayo makakita ng breakout. And right now, based from this resistance na palagi natin tinetest, it's more likely na we are going to break this 25K. Kasi as you can see, we are getting a lot of retest dun sa area na yan. And when it comes to bounces, yung ating 20-week moving average is actually getting a lot of bounce. In fact, if you're going to plot a line dito, you can see na we are seeing a support and resistance line. So we are seeing a lot of bounces dyan sa area na yan. And previously, that was acting as a resistance. Right now, it's acting as a support area. So similar to what we have been saying kanina, let's say we're just going to consolidate. You can see now we are more likely going to see a bounce then within that 20K area. So yeah, I suggest right now, if you are going to trade Bitcoin, if you're going to invest for the long term, this is actually a good chart na you want to follow. But when it comes to the short term, ibang usapan na yon, kasi this chart is more on the bigger time frame, and ako, I've not been doing any short term trades for the time being kasi busy ako on the sideline. But yeah, as much as possible, ito yung makikita natin dito with the Bitcoin price action ngayon, and it's actually a good thing to follow. And yeah, take note guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin, make sure to trade it with BYBIT, kasi dito meron tayo actually na bonus kay BYBIT. If you're going to use my sign-up link, you can actually claim of up to $4,000 bonus, and you're also entitled to future raffles such as in jersey na, which is yung gamit ng mga players namin. As you can see, that BYBIT jersey na gamit ng mga players namin is actually nakalagay yung BYBIT. So if you want to win that jersey, make sure to use our sign-up link, and make sure to follow Gabbal FC on IG. It's available guys in the description down below. Now, diving into the short term, looking at this in the short term, let's try to erase yung ating mga previous analysis. So, there was a previous analysis, may rising wedge, and that has started playing out, and it has met one of the targets. Right now, what can we infer from this data? Well, one thing na pwede mong makita dito is we are seeing a potential declining RSI. So, declining RSI and a potential divergence, that could be a bad thing if, let's say, this is going to continue. In that case, if this is a divergence, then we are more likely going to go back to the 21K area for the short term lang. But yeah, medyo malayo kasi actually tinan mo, ang laki ng pinag-drop natin dito sa ating Bitcoin price action. We went below the support. So medyo 50-50 ako para sa divergence na yan, kasi typically divergences would actually more likely play out yung increasing price action, tapos saka siya nagkakaroon ng increasing price while the RSI is declining. Doon usually yung divergence, hindi yung usually na umakit siya tapos biglang isang bagsakan tapos ganyan. Hindi yun yung usual na divergence na gusto natin makita. Yung gusto natin makita na divergence is diretso siyang yung pag-increase, tapos nagiging pretty tight yung ating movement, and that is not what we are currently seeing. It's actually more of a pump and dump consolidation right now with the Bitcoin price action. So in that case, wala tayong gagawin for the short term kasi yun nga, not much to trade dito for the short term, looking at this. But so, ayun, let's try to look at this in the early time frame. Not much then for the time being. So in that case, yun muna yung monitor natin yung ating weekly time frame. And yun nga guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.